All right, we just got this. I believe it's a pencil sharpener. So let's open it up and see what we got in here. I think there's not a lot of parts to it. Might be a USB cord. Oh, yep, that's it. Oh, more stuff. All right, let's take the box, put it over there. It does come with USB-A to USB-C. Save that. And bam, Bob's your uncle. That was really easy. All right, apparently you've got different settings. Low, high, and it came at that setting there. So depending on, how pointy you want your pencils, you stick your pencil in there. And I think that's all you do. I think you just stick the pencil in there, tell you the truth. Guess what? I got some pencils. Let's try one and see how it does. All right, so here we are. Here's our thingamabob. Now I'm thinking it's already charged up. Now if it isn't, let's see where we charge it. Oh, here. So there's that charging port right there. So if we needed to charge it, USB-C to USB-C, and bam, Bob's your uncle. It doesn't really give me a light or anything. Oh yeah, it does. Look, there's a light right there. You see it? So it looks like it's charged. So let's unplug it and let's see how it does. All right, you guys ready? I've got it on the middle setting. So let's see what happens. Sticking it in. Woo! That's sharp. That's a sharp pencil. All right, that worked good. And you can see all the shavings inside. Now I think that I can clean it by twisting it, or somehow this comes off. I think it does. You would think it would come off. Oh, here we go. All right, so you gotta twist this counter. You gotta twist this counter clockwise, and then this opens up like that, right? So check it out. You can see the blades and everything in there. You can see the blades in there. See that? Right there. And then we can just dump this in the garbage can. Basically, you just turn it upside down. I guess I could use a little vacuum cleaner to... Got it in my mouth. All right, so it's clean, right? Now all we got to do, put her back in there. Whoops. Some reason it's readjusting itself, apparently. Oh, it did come with some stickers, too, and a user's manual. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos.